cooking Tinola today. My favorite. So let's get started. First, oil. Next, to put these. Ginger first. Here. You stir 2 minutes. Okay? A gingerbread. Now put the onion. Stir. That's good. Next, garlic. Next, put the chicken. The chicken is my favorite. There's also blood. Wow. Next, put some patties. Stir it up. Next, put some boiled water. Next, cover. And wait in 10 minutes. Bye-bye. Let's put the pork cube. First, open it. Ay, chicken. And then open it first. Look, oh, it's yellow. Next, put sayate. Yummy. Next, stir it. Next, put pepper. Next, cover it in 10 minutes again. Sorry, 10 minutes. Now, after minutes, we are gonna taste. Yummy! Next, no. It's not cold. It's yummy! Next, add beef density. Now it's Hi, Kuya. Now it's cooked. We need to serve. Bye-bye. Happy dinner. Bye-bye.